welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. NPP and VPP held each other responsible in Jaintia Hills. HANM protests in Delhi displays posters in Shillong for Khasi language and ILP demands. VPP to meet MDCs on 26th Feb to elect new CEM and EMs. And Ba Bindo M. Lanong reflects on political legacy, blesses daughter's MDC victory. And now the news in detail. Snyabhalang Dhar, National General Secretary of the National People's Party (NPP), acknowledged the party's improved performance in the recently conducted MDC elections for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council (JHADC). Speaking on February 25th, Dhar highlighted that while the NPP lost all constituencies in the MP elections, it secured 4 seats in the MDC elections, demonstrating a significant improvement. He attributed this to the people's growing support and understanding of the party's agenda. Dhar also dismissed allegations that the NPP's victory in JHADC, where they won 13 seats, was due to forceful tactics. Instead, he accused the Voice of the People Party (VPP) of using force in an attack on the house of the former village headman of Narwan in East Jaintia Hills. Additionally, he refrained from accusing the VPP of similar tactics in the KHADC, where the VPP and its allies won 17 seats.
From 5,70,000 to 3,71,000 is drastically reduced. In just in the span of 9-8 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know. And we are working towards that.
Yeah,
Election ni kamu selpawar kamu doan. Kita back when one third vote, you vote the borom rejected so. Namani okalai sit. Mud we use muscle power. The feel like muscle power like for a small example, give you picking by shot yang you to robot yang beri dengan arwah. Hantu lagi lepas dari kicking use muscle power. Sebab lagi job khasinews dengan orang yang use muscle power. No, we respect the mandate. Why we should blame each other? We have to respect the mandate to people. Hasil ki job khasinews ini kalau mau use muscle power, dengan job khalai kau use muscle power, that's wrong. And kum kunu ksale min bro sime to excitement orang kami athi asu donbosco baga jing tray bahaj district administration like tahu bukli kami tahu ni kau nikti. Ya gani de habaro kristian committee nila exercise is still on kumulumata nakaling jonga jankil region lenga nakadija kakanda tu December orang sukor committee kami tila instruct officer indege homework di benda ada peduli sama ba macam committee nang tanda de committee sa bo sa place extent level mataga between the two chief ni sa dil korle each other went to committee ane kani lengi boden ya bara isu lengi boden naklam bagi casting kani.
But your level will...
But just before Christmas.
Yeah,
and now they are in the process of doing some homework that we want as state government. And maybe in the one or two model submit report, again we will place in the state level. When we are from the state level and we are contacting the other counterpart in such a manner that in future it should be okay. Maybe not immediately, but we are trying to...
Coming back to the
Kalau Mong bai dao kat badai ki isu basa ki totally kisna. The swab in let's do not babha bro shirta. Kadang kami yang memperkat batik na man lading ila keluarkan step in the kole dang situ man susu. Na kata kada aku mau government ni watch back and front properly in such a manner so that once we solve it, we will solve it once for all. Kata dia kada maybe about that. Misal tu kita ba dia mesti beli baru ni kuat kan depth. Kikuai nama ba yo ni Rosh Kulman pitip ka the code is very near na. Ani kuat ba min sah kata kan tik nang da kanugor kong le mari ka wala ka kham simpor kandero si makla biang kan begi bro serta kan. Tare ji kuat musor kata. Nei ba ngabang ting no you know. Ma yo buri mla umber umau yo so ki. Hamo bangi protect gitarum de. Ani kan tibi ba gajing anu jog pai ba jong mesti dia kan isu ni apa sok no ni kata ni laku ta berarti ya why are so hurry on that we are trying towards in the final stage of completion. Let us wait now.
On February 25th, the Hnyothrap Achek National Movement (HANM) organized a protest in Delhi demanding the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution and the implementation of the Inner Line Permit (ILP) in Meghalaya. In solidarity with the ongoing protest at Jantar Mantar, HANM office bearers and supporters displayed banners in various parts of Shillong. Posters were also placed near the statue of Wo Kyang Nangba, close to Shillong Civil Hospital and along the Khandailat to Motpran Road. The General Secretary of HANM's Maulai unit stated that the poster campaign in Shillong aims to show full support to the party's leaders protesting in Delhi. These demands, he highlighted, are in line with resolutions passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in previous years, urging the Government of India to address these critical issues for the state's well-being.
Nakaiga ba pite yani lalak sini. Kajing tiak jungin refleks kedai namta kajing dawa jungin nak sakar dia ba kan ai lo ikni kimat beng le iki la kalong kesin ke baar mentale mara kesin min ko kamai jubab tak ni kalong kesin baar kan ngi yo no kan itu ba ngi dengkam ya ke kijing lek lu jungi kum ka ILP ka border issue man prung ya ka kesin kasi garuru kilom kita hi bukan kesan tam sanu pat mentasi mungkin sedang mengite mentang nginangwan sedang ni civil dan mentang ini sesya polis besar dan betul ini sesya po yudo yang lite kini berpau ya sekar ba nyumla abing suskap tu maka de ka kamram jungi hi kun kasi ben sedang hi makane kalau minta ke aji kesan bang ya aji kesan kini si member kini ngalam jungi ali sport Delhi hi lahir menen ka jinga ki minta stage po Delhi ka di minta kesni hi ki kalau ka kesan jungi H&M bagi dan mentah po Shillong ni aji kesan penpal kan.
The Voice of the People Party (VPP) is set to hold a meeting on February 26th with the elected members of District Council (MDCs) to discuss the appointment of the Chief Executive Member (CEM) and Executive Members (EMs) for the new Executive Committee. Butts Khem, spokesperson for the VPP, confirmed that the leadership positions will be discussed and elected during the meeting. Butts Khem emphasized that the VPP has secured a majority and does not require support from other parties to form the new EC. He also stated that other parties may face difficulties in collaborating with the VPP due to differing principles and policies, adding that no other party has approached the VPP for cooperation.
Review on the results of the election to the two district councils, that is the KHDC and the CHDC. Yes, we recorded the victory in the KHDC where we won 17 seats of 29 seats that we contested, and also the seats that are there in the KHDC. First of all, I would like to express my appreciation, my gratefulness to the people for choosing and reposing their faith in the ideology of the party, in the promises of the party. So we, from the party side, we deeply express our gratitude to the people, and we also express our deep appreciation to all the people who voted for the DPP, though we could not win in those constituencies and 12 others in HDC. And in Jaisalmer district, we won 8 seats out of the 29 seats that we contested, and it is a new beginning, a new chapter in the history of the GHDC. We know that in Jaisalmer district, it is quite different from GHDC, the politics of there, but we have been able to make inroads. We express our appreciation, gratitude to the people of China Hills district also for giving us the opportunity to serve the people in the district. And from the VPP side, we give the assurance to the people that we will continue to work tirelessly for the welfare of the people in Border District, whether in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council or whether in Jain Hills District Autonomous District Council. In KGDC, yes, we are in the driving seat, where we will try to implement the policies and programs that we have promised to the people, and we will surely use the office of the KGDC to improve the lives of the people. In Jain Hills District, we will try our best to serve as the opposition party in the council. And to be frank, the other parties may find it difficult to work with the BBP because we are the ideologically driven party. We are committed to the ideology of the party, the policies and the programs that we have promised to the people. So I think that the other parties also, they have that basic sense to understand. So far, we have not been approached by any other parties. We have no doubt about it, but we have to work hard.
Ba Bindo Emlanong, a prominent political figure, expressed his joy over the recent victory of his daughter, Deiti Majau, in the MDC elections from the Voice of the People Party, VPP. A veteran leader, Ba Bindo has served as an MDC 6 times and an MLA twice, becoming the Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly. He praised his daughter for following his footsteps, emphasizing that her political acumen, developed from years of observing him, would guide her in her journey. Reflecting on the shifting political landscape, Ba Bindo noted the rise of new MDCs in the KHEDC elections, some of whom lack political experience. He urged the new executive committee to focus on preserving existing laws, protecting land, strengthening trade laws, and addressing national issues. Ba Bindo stressed the importance of hard work, gaining knowledge, and collaborating with experienced figures to succeed in politics.
Ya don benta jungki sibu kum ini khut junga ilor benta sibu ne hakalong yeng kalong sem wa nga la long nong ikmat ba khandai sir Andrew Sin ngala job kum MDC Andrew Sin ter tikini khut junga la kum no ta poy en khamrit andre dal khamhe ti la don benta lang arsin ngala job kum MLA Sisian kum benta kum nominated MDC tu la kut ta dike kum nominated MDC te kamu nyo sien kum MDC arsian kum MLA along speaker te along deputy chief minister kila ilut bun ke te kum na kabenta jong i kamu ini khun jonga ila i kita ila i kum no ngatrei kum no ngaim Shanong awan la ilut. De kanya pher si buan apreng jong i bat kibai tmai ki bamyo akom ya kata ka laat kom ya kata ka kabu ko yo mai. De kidon arjat ki bat tmai ngni. De kidon ki bapot don experience ai de kom ya ki te kan chimpor ban len kan chimpor ban yo ka tu ni ki buit ki jing hikai dum ter. Ndai kum no kom tai ni khon junga. Ini jelas ilut pun kita kan kamsuk nak kumta jungi kan kam kuloi nak kumta jungi ba la ilut la deki kemat la jong lama deka mo met la jong ka jingia dekam de jam ngam don kanu ko scam po jing sekri cuma kat tas pos dem kat kendai spa nyu huar along nom ikmat pa ba kat prasnem tik Kenai Spanyol huang along ngalong kum MDC 1972 nak kena kat pasal ngalong MDC ngam don AA hadis council ngam don AA yang kastir government no scan nak kuat ikini berkhoi sincere hok sincere da khoi ai yung pai ba kan pai ba ka ta ju phi wa phi yo itulop na ka te ju phi we pu we no bola yo pulu di se ba jong ki yo tulop ye what you want to what you want some naki mo kam ki ba dei bu se cha khada kham tam ju pai ba ka ta ka dei ka ba nga ai lu ko mo se khwilin ti ba ki ni khun ja kham tam nga not ban ten nga not ban hukum nga not ban peni nga not ban kedo te ki de le ka ta la le kum ta ngin la chibun ngin la chibun ne naki mo na ka bam klop na ka bam sam
Marcus N. Marak, the Minister of Public Health Engineering, PHE, reported that 741 water wells across various districts in Meghalaya have started to dry up. These wells, which traditionally fill streams in several villages, are now showing signs of water shortage. Marak attributed the scarcity to climate change, which has affected weather patterns globally, leading to reduced water availability. He acknowledged that the Meghalaya government is exploring ways to address the issue and ensure the revival and maintenance of water wells in the future. Marak also mentioned that the water shortage could impact the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission JJM scheme, which relies on adequate water sources for its success.
That this particular critical water sources, which has been identified by the PHE department, is being corrective measures are being taken up for that. Definitely, it is being impacted. Most of the water sources, most of the GGM projects, you go and ask in the villages, wherever the villages are not getting water, it's because of the sources drying up. So we are taking all the measures, definitely, but it will take some time. Outcome, I have pointed out there in my speech. I was there to give a speech, and then my commissioner secretary also gave a presentation. I talked about the spring rejuvenation, because only if we rejuvenate the spring sources, then only the rivers, the flow of the water in the rivers will be there. So they have already taken note of that. In the takeaways during the valedictory program, I was told that the takeaway.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.